Today I'm going to be taking you through how you can be able to get a USD Visa virtual card for free, and then use for your online transactions or in-store transactions, both locally or worldwide. So today we are utilizing this app called Eversend, which you can find on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. I'll be leaving the link to it in the video description and then the pinned comment section for you guys to use. So once you get the app installed on your phone, you visit it for the first time, you'll be asked to create an account, and once you are done with that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard over here. And as you can see that I have the account for quite some time now, and I've done a lot of transactions with it. So once you're on this page, you first have to go to the card sessions over here, and then you can see that currently I'm not having any card, so I'm going to click on create new card. And then you have to make sure you go through this card rules and regulations before you proceed on. So they are not anything difficult, they're pretty much easy to follow, so make sure to go through them very carefully. And then once you are done with it, make sure to click on the accept and continue. And then coming to choosing the plan, I will advise you to go for the one-time one, which is the $3. But if you see that you don't have money to pay for the card creation fee, then you should go for the $1 monthly creation fee. So I'm going to be choosing the one-time one, and then the card appearance, I'm going to select orange, then continue. So on this page they are asking us the amount that we want to top up onto the card. So you could see over here I'm having $4.32 in my account, so I'm going to be typing 1.32, which will be used for the card top up, and then the fee that will be charged for creating the card will be $3. So once you are done with that, I want you to click on continue, and then they are asking us to enter our 4-digit pin, which I'm not going to be showing you guys for security reason. And once you are done with that, it will take some time to load up everything and then create your card. So you can see over here they are saying we have created a new virtual card with $1 and then 32 cents as top up on it. So let's click on OK and then view our card. So you can see our card over here. So you will see that it is pretty much easy to do or create a new card and then use for your online transactions. And if you want to find the card, you can go ahead and then do it using this button over here, and then with the withdrawal tool you can do it at the sidebar over here. And then also you can freeze your card so that it won't be in use again for some time. And also you can remove your card, which is simply deleting it completely, which I won't advise you to do unless the reason you are doing it is a very serious one. And then you can find the card billing address over here for you to use, and then enter on payment website. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and then like the video if you found it helpful. And then also if you have any kind of issues during this process, make sure to write it down in the comment section. I'll do my possible best to attend to each and every single one of it. So thanks for watching the video again. Bye.